This video shows the working mode of the Smart Photovoltaic Household System. The kit Smart Photovoltaic Household System is part of the Do-It-Yourself laboratory kit under the GREATER project framework. GREATER project has received funding from the European Union's Erasmus Plus program in capacity building in higher education. The kit is composed of two parts. On the left, we can see the hardware part with all the power electronics and the electronic devices to monitor and control the system. While on the right side, we can see the dashboard that is composed of three different parts. We have here the log, in which all raw data are showed, and the home. By taking a deeper look on the dashboard, we have to update the daytime and enable the run for the selected device in order to make the system work. We can control both the DC load and the AC load with the switches related. If we switch then to the chart, we can see, again by selecting the device identifier, all the live data related to the power system. And in the last part, we have also the possibility of select each single data by showing the real-time monitoring system.